Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make crispy sesame chicken masala bread toast, in which a flavorful chicken mince is spread and covered with sesame seeds. You can make this recipe in just 10 minutes. It's a delicious tea time snack and a quick lunchbox recipe. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make chicken masala toast. To make this recipe, I've got 250 grams of chicken breast. Into a blender, add chicken, egg, coriander leaves, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 2 green chillies, this is optional, half a teaspoon of salt. Blend all this into a fine paste. Do not add water. The egg which we add in is sufficient to make a fine paste. Take some bread slices and spread a thin layer of chicken paste on the bread. Take some sesame seeds. I am using black and white sesame seeds. In some places black sesame is not available. No worries, you can use what is available in your place. Take a bread slice and dip on the sesame seeds. These tiny seeds has numerous health benefits. If you have this regularly, will relieve you from arthritis pain. Once you're done with this, cut the bread slices into half. Before storing it in the freezer, just keep these slices in the freezer for an hour so that it will not stick together. Store them in a freezer friendly container or in a Ziploc bag, and you can fry them whenever you need it. In a pan, add some oil for frying. Now let's fry our chicken masala bread. Put the chicken side down. We put a thin layer of chicken. This will not take much time to cook. Keep the flame on medium and fry the slices 1 minute on each side. You can also shallow fry the bread if you don't want to use so much oil. Bread is toasted well. Remove it from the pan and put it on a paper towel. There you have it, crispy sesame chicken masala bread toast. It's so crispy and delicious. It's an excellent tea time snack. Do give this a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.